Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. It's another edition of What's on the Porch. And I am super excited for this one. It is the Royal Soap Company subscription box. And the reason that I found out about the subscription box is because Laurie Latimer featured this box on her channel, and when I watched her unbox it, I knew I had to have it because I love handmade soaps and I love candles, as you can see, but I love my handmade soaps, so I had to try it out. It was $25.99. I tried to look it up on the website, but this particular box has been sold out, the April box, and it says that the May box will be posted soon, so I cannot find how much the subscription is. I think if you pay for a year, it's $25 or $25.99 a month with free shipping, and I think that this is like $70 or something like that worth of products. I'm so excited because I kind of know what's in here. I remember what Laurie had, but also look at the inside of the box. They have their logo, the Royal Bath Soap and Candle Company. I love that it's handmade, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's lemon verbena is what the most of the scents are. And it says, "You deserve it, thank you." And she hand wrote my name on there. I'm famous. And yes, it says valued over $70 for each box, curated just for you. The best part is that you get to choose your favorite bars for your next box. So I'm excited about that. I will put the link down in the description box so that you can go check it out. Here's my invoice. Let's see if it has the price on it. $25.99 a month when you subscribe and save, and that was for a year subscription. I don't know what I'm gonna do with a year's worth of soap, but I wanted to get that $25.99 price, and I think if you do 6 months it's a little bit more than that, and 3 months would be a little bit more than that too. Look at the seal. That is their logo. It's the same as this, and it is a wax seal. That is very cool. Attention to detail is very nice. Let's see if I can get that off without breaking it. That is very cool. Their little wax seal. Very nice. And green too. I love it. Alright, so when I open up the seal, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Isn't that pretty? Very, very nice. Alright, so I have 8 products. I don't know if that's normal. Let's look and see. It says you'll receive your favorite items every month, quarterly, or every 6 months. Choose your desired plan. No worries to remember. Add products to your collection if you like. And that's it. One and done. You'll receive 6 to 8 items in your monthly box. And so I have 4 bars of soap. And from quickly glancing at the ingredients, they look very clean. They are paraben-free, formaldehyde-free, phthalate-free, and some of them are body bars, some are body and hand, some are body and face. So that's cool. Alright, enough reading. It smells so good, y'all. So the first bar of soap that I have is this Royal Bath Soap Indulge Collection Oatmeal, Milk and Honey. Luxurious handmade soap made with African shea butter, oats and honey. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I cannot wait to use these. I want to open one just so we can see what it looks like. And you can tell because the packaging is not uniform that they were hand wrapped. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty the soap is, and it has their logo embossed in it, and it has a lot of detail and texture to it. Oh my gosh, it smells absolutely amazing. I am so excited. Laurie Latimer, thank you so much for finding this box, because I am just in soap heaven. I love my handmade soaps. Like, I go to all of the different craft fairs and stuff in the fall, and that's why I go, is to find handcrafted soap for myself, and I'll normally stock up, so I'm super excited about this. The next one that I have is Cucumber Melon. This one smells good too. Should I open them all? I'm not going to open this one, but I can tell that it feels textured too. I'm sure it's just as pretty as the other one. And here's the Gardener Soap, Everyday Clean, with lemon verbena, made with moisturizing shea butter and essential oils. And this has a wax seal on it that has an R for royal. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. This video is going to be so long with me just sitting here sniffing the soap. And then this is Botanical Collection, Pure and Simple. And this is like the first one with the handmade soap with the African shea butter. And this one is fragrance free. Yep, it has no fragrance to it at all. That is very cool. I would have rather had the fragrance, but I think that's very cool for people who want handmade soaps and they can't take the fragrance. And then we have some hand cream, lemon verbena, creamy and luxurious with essential oils. Garden inspired. Now I'm going to have to, oh my goodness, that is very thick. See how thick that is? And it feels really good. It absorbs really nice. Oh my gosh, y'all have no idea how good that smells. That smells amazing. Okay. And then I have room spray, aromatherapy with essential oils. This as well as lemon verbena, and it's shrink wrapped, which is nice so that you don't have to worry about something happening when it's shipping and, you know, getting the box wet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Super excited. I am super excited. That just, oh, it's that feeling. It causes a happy feeling in me, and I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then it looks like we have a packet of seeds and some gardening gloves. How cool is that? And they're green. I love green. It is a pack of seeds. And this is Larkspur Shades of Blue. There are 10 seeds in here. And then look at these nice gloves. They're rubber. Very nice. I love that. I love gardening and flowers. Latex gloves and some seeds in this cute little bag. That's, again, attention to detail. And the last item that I have is a candle. I love candles. This as well as the lemon verbena hand poured soy wax candle with essential oils. It's 12 ounces. You know this is going to be amazing. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. I love a soy candle. So there we go. There's my Royal Soap. What is it? Royal Soap. Royal Bath Soap and Candle Company subscription box. I cannot wait to see what May has in it. I am just going to be in handmade soap and hand-poured candle and fragrance heaven because I love lemon verbena. It's one of my favorite scents. Yeah. Super excited. Super excited. Did I tell y'all I was excited? I'm super excited. Thank you so much for watching my video. Show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. I'm grateful for this candle. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, we need to get you... We need to get you some gloves and some fishing seeds. And now you know your mama loves lemon verbena. I bet you didn't know that. Some trivia. So you can buy me something pretty that smells like lemon. Okay, but you need to get you some fishing seeds and some gloves, and you can grow some big fish. Because that's really not anything beauty related here, so. Okay, Mama loves you, boo.